Did you not know that you were in the front row? Hey, at least you'll have something to remember your father by. What is going on with your Velcro brace thing here? Are you okay? So my father was dying. He used to beat up my family, everybody but me. You were hoping I didn't notice. Did you not know that you were in the front row?
Tried to tell her. I tried to say it.
You tried to tell her? Try fucking harder, buddy.
I'm in pain though.
I'm very sorry to hear that. Did you want to maybe move to the back row?
I tried to tell her that too.
Just felt a little too close right there. So my dad, as he lay dying,